Unfortunately, there are Etsy sellers gatekeeping this best-selling trending design, but I'm going to reveal it to you. I'm going to show you exactly what it is and how to produce it really quickly with AI so that you can list it up now, right? And I'm going to use a fantastic two-step solution to do this. But just before I get into this, my name's AJ. I do all things digital products, AI, selling on Etsy, and all of that great stuff. I've got over 900 videos dedicated just for you. So if you're interested in any of that, remember, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell so you can get more of my videos in your feed. Let's get into this. But look, check this out. Look, I've just typed in Santa Yarn PNG, right? Now, these are all digital products, digital downloads. They are massively trending right now. You got all of these popular nows right at the top here, and you got a hell of a lot of people on the first page that have started listing this up or these up in the last month. And that's why you're not getting a lot of data right at the bottom, right? But the ones that have listed up a little bit longer are making some good sales. Now, obviously, this is Christmas time and it's approaching really, really quickly. So I would definitely advise always list up months before the time, always. And this is something that I've noticed that has been growing and trending really quickly. And actually, I believe this faux, if you like, style yarn, latch hook, whatever you want to call it, right? Even the crochet style digital designs will continue to grow in 2026. Obviously, at different times of the year, it might be an Easter type of version, it might be other versions, might be the summer version, spring versions, other Valentine's version, there'll be other version of this style. But for now, especially the Santa style, which is definitely one of the biggest trending styles for Christmas, is actually working really, really well. And just to prove the growth rate for this trend, check this out. Okay, so I'm on Everbee, my go-to research SEO tool, where it gives me all that data and all that analysis, and it will show you right now. And actually, if you want to try out Everbee, remember, click the link below in the description and you can try it out for free. It's absolutely fantastic and it will help you find those gems. Now, this is what I've done on Everbee. Literally, I went on the side after it's obviously hooked up to Etsy, and then I've gone to product analytics, right? And literally it's analyzing all those Santa yarn faux style PNGs. And look at this. The growth rate is phenomenal. Look at these. These are growing at a rate of from 600 to 4,500%. Look at this. All green here. All different listings doing this kind of style, this faux yarn PNG design style, right? And the trend is all going up, right? So it's definitely something to list up and it's definitely something to get into. It might be a little bit late for Christmas, but do you know what it is? I would list it up anyway. And then also don't forget, you've also got next Christmas. So even if it doesn't sell massively now, when 12 months time, when Christmas comes back again, hopefully the trend will still be alive and kicking strong and selling again. So this is amazing, guys. So you definitely have to get into this trend really quickly. Now, I'm going to show you really quickly how to produce something like this. So check this out. Okay, so now that we're on ChatGPT, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using an image as a reference only so that we can create our own original Santa head style in that faux yarn kind of, design style. So first thing I'm going to do is I want to paste in, or I'm going to include, go to the plus sign and upload an image. And then once I've uploaded an image, then I'm going to ask it to create for me a prompt, right? An original prompt for an original design. Okay, so I'm going to go to paste it in. And basically I've said that use this as a reference, right? As a style reference to create a prompt of my own original version of a faux yarn Santa head design to put into Nano Banana with 1,000 character max. Because I'm going to put this into my go-to design platform called Kittl. I'm going to show you that in a minute. And that is where I'm going to produce the design. This is purely about creating the prompt to create the design. Now, remember, it's very important that you use examples that you've seen that are good only as style references and for you to create your own version, your own design of them. You could also create the prompt from scratch, but you're going to find out that you will not get anywhere near the style, if you like, a similar style to what you're trying to do. I think ChatGPT over time will start having a better understanding of how to create prompts just by doing its own research, but it's not quite there yet. So it does need a style, a reference, just to have an idea of the kind of thing that you're looking for. So once I've done that and I've said that I want it to create for me an original design prompt, then I can click the button. Okay, so it is quite quick and it says, look, here is 100% original, safe to sell, faux yarn Santa head prompt, inspired only, right? So this is a original prompt that you can use that is completely original, and you'll see it from the design that it produces. So if I just copy this quickly, I'll copy the prompt, which I'm going to take over to Kittl. So yeah, let's go and design this. Okay, I'm over onto Kittl right now, and yeah, so this is my go-to design platform. Absolutely fantastic. The quality of designing is amazing. It's got all the models, all the best models: Google, Nano Banana, and Nano Banana Pro, you know, Seedream, DALI, all of them, which is really good. And also for clip arts especially, it's really good for editing, and you're going to see this anyway. So check out the link below. You do get 25% off the plans if you use my code, and now you'll see it down there. Anyways, let's go to new project first and click that button, right? New project, and let's get started. Okay, so once you've clicked new project, the most important thing you need to do is make sure the sizing right. And I like to go to 300 DPI, making sure that quality is on point. And I do also like to make sure that the size is 5000 by 5000 pixels, because that's a really good size to have for clip arts. And then click create. Okay, so once I'm in create, remember I've already created the prompt in ChatGPT. Now there's a lot of tools here in Kittl which I'm not going to go through because it's going to confuse you, but it does have a lot of designing and editing, especially when you're doing digital downloads, digital products, especially clip arts, AI design. So quite simply, you just come down to the bottom here and you click here and you can paste your prompt. Right now, you can paste it here. This is a very, very long prompt that I've created. Now, remember, sometimes you do need to adjust and change things around, right? Because remember, they are producing a completely new prompt for you, right? So there may have to be some slight changes, and I will also show you how you can sort of tweak it a little bit, which is important. Now, what you can see here as well, you can see that I'm in the Nano Banana model. And if I wanted to, I could just click that and it shows me many different other design models like DALI, ChatGPT, even Flux, Seedream, Ideogram, they're all here. Okay, so, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Nano Banana. That's one of the best ones anyway. So let's generate. And if it doesn't come up with something that I want, then I might be a little bit more specific and say what kind of eyes I want. This is quite a nice one, guys. The good thing about this is you can obviously produce a few different, versions until you're happy, right? So you might do other versions where if you're happy. So, you can just say, if you're happy with this, keep it. If not, then you can generate again until you're sort of happy with the style that you've seen. And the other thing I'll say is I'll show you also an extra bit, an opportunity, because what I've noticed is there may be a lot of Santa, but also, see, this is quite a nice one. This is quite good. That's really good. I like this one. It's quite in your ultra realistic style. I might make the hat just a little bit more red, but it's actually a good one. That's a good one, right? Look at it. It looks really realistic in that sort of faux yarn style. Now, where the opportunity is you can obviously create different versions of these, right? But you also should think about the other kind of elements that you can use. Now, this is going to be good. Santa's is probably the biggest one in this sort of trending style, but I've also noticed other ones emerging like a reindeer's gingerbread. So look at opportunities, and what's great about Kittl is you can use this to produce other styles. So if you go to artboard and click artboard, right? And then what you do is you click this button. Now, this is where the opportunity is, where you can do a variation of this style, but keeping the sort of the elements of it. You'll keep the style, but change it up into maybe a different sort of thing. So create a snowman in the same style. Okay, let's see what that does. That's really cute. And remember, you can create a whole bundle of these. You can go into reindeer, gingerbread man, right? But this is really good. Look, in the same sort of style. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. You know, once you have a trend that works, and then don't forget, this is going to work fantastically well for different times of the year. You might do something for Easter. You know, trends tend to stay. Okay. You know that with things like the stained glass style, we know that with the coquette bow tie, you know, they're still there, they're still selling. So I definitely see an opportunity beyond Christmas, and definitely something that you could get into. But you know, using Kittl, you can actually do some fantastic variation just by pressing the button, using the same style but creating bundles of these, and I think that can also be quite lucrative. Anyway, don't forget, you can check out Kittl, 25% off all the plans. The link is below. Anyway, guys, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.